everyone, welcome to my channel. Today is the day my new drone is launched. This is the Captain Drone drone. Yes, Fly More Drones and myself, we collaborated for the last 6 months and we came up with this drone, and it's pretty darn sweet because it's under 250 grams. Not only that, you no longer need Captain Drone stickers because it comes in the Captain Drone sticker paint scheme. But wait, so does the battery. So everything's in a Captain Drone paint scheme. Flight time on this baby with the included battery is up to 30 minutes, but if you recharge this 48 times during the day, you can get up to 24 hours of flight time. Oh, there's nothing else like that on the market. Now you're probably wondering, it's a Captain Drone drone, so it's got to have an awesome camera, right? Well, I was going to put a 4K camera in it, but no, hang on. The budget model comes with a 4K, but if you buy the Pro model, it has a 400K camera. The only problem is if you use the 400K camera, then it's gonna be like just a little bit over 250 grams. Sounds pretty awesome so far. What about flight range, you're asking? Well, flight range can be up to 500 miles with this here drone. It all depends how windy it is outside. So if you have hurricane style winds, you can get up to 500 miles, but if you just have a breeze, well, it's probably going less of a distance. So try to fly this when it's the windiest possible. But now you're asking, Steve, does it include obstacle avoidance? And yes, it does. The obstacle avoidance on here is so good. It works 100% of the time, except it doesn't work around trees, cars, buildings, structures, hills, dogs, animals, cats, anything like that. I know you're itching to buy this, aren't you? But hang on, hang on. It also has the best follow me function on the planet. Better than anything else on the market. Skydio 2, not even close to this with follow me. Let me show you how it works, because I have this patented transmission cable here. So you attach this to the drone, and then you attach the other end to yourself, and basically this thing, get over there, this thing will follow you wherever you go. So if I head off on a jog, it's coming with me. Now you're asking, how much does this baby cost? It only costs $99. $99, that's it. Check the links below. $99, limited production sale, so get one quick. All right, guys, I'm gonna take this baby out for a flight. I've got it in follow me mode, and we'll catch you in the next video. Here we go.